Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to reduce the number of tabs you're using on your Chrome browser using a simple extension that can save you time and keep your browser organized. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's launched, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on these dots to open the Chrome menu. This menu gives you access to various browser settings and features that will help you customize your browsing experience. Next, hover your mouse over the option that says Extensions. This will open a submenu showing you different extension-related options. From this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will take you to Chrome's official extension marketplace, where you can browse and install various tools to enhance your browser's functionality. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type in OneTab. This extension is specifically designed to help you manage multiple tabs efficiently by consolidating them into a single organized list, which is perfect for reducing browser clutter and improving performance. After searching, you'll see the OneTab extension appear in the results. Click on it to open its dedicated page where you can read more about what it does and how it works. Once you're on the extensions page, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click this button and a confirmation pop-up will appear. Go ahead and click Add Extension to complete the installation. The extension will be added to your browser within seconds. Now, to see this extension in action, open multiple tabs in your browser. You can open as many as you like to really test how effective this tool is. Once you have several tabs open, look at the top right corner of your browser again, where you'll find the extensions icon. It typically looks like a puzzle piece. Click on this icon to reveal a list of all your installed extensions. From the list that appears, locate and click on OneTab. When you click it for the first time, you'll see a prompt asking you to allow the extension to manage your tabs. Click Allow to give it the necessary permissions. This step ensures the extension can properly consolidate your tabs. And there you have it. All of your open tabs will instantly be converted into a single tab containing a neat list of links. This makes it incredibly easy to manage your browsing sessions without having dozens of tabs slowing down your computer. You can now access any of those pages by simply clicking on the links in the OneTab list whenever you need them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.